you looking for a storage that you don't need hours to assemble? Let me share this one with you, but quick disclaimer here, I received it free to try. Installing these storage boxes is a breeze, since no tools are required. They have special notches that make stacking them a piece of cake. Plus, they come with flip snaps on the sides that make stacking them together super easy. These storage boxes are perfect for all sorts of spaces in your home, like living rooms, bedrooms, closets, kitchens, and more. They're great for keeping all kinds of things tidy and organized, from toys and books to clothes, snacks, tools, blankets, shoes, craft supplies, and more.